I'd like to give you a little background on that. And that is that ever since our government took over in March 2017, we have been very active on this score, and we have 32 modules created by Pakistan were busted by us. 155 radicals, oblique terrorists were arrested. About 41 rifles, including AK-47s, MP9s, and MP5s, were taken into possession. Revolvers, pistols, 156 of them were taken into possession. We had 37 hand grenades of the Austrian type, 3.5 kilograms of RDX and other explosives, 4 China-made drones, 5 satellite phones, 4 walkie-talkies, and 2 other assorted telephones were taken in up to now. In the meantime, the COVID business started, and also all our force was, half of it, 44,000 out of the 81,000, were on lockdown and curfew duties. Now, during this period, some of these gangsters thought that they would use this gap to try and smuggle in more weapons and all from Pakistan. And happily, the Punjab police, while doing its curfew duty and by looking after even humanitarian missions, kept its eye open on this issue. And day before yesterday, a very major, this is on the 7th of May, a very major haul was captured. They captured a person called a very most wanted gangster called Baljinder Singh Billa, and he's a operative of the Pakistan-based KLF chief Harmeet Singh Happy and German-based Bagha of the Khalistan Zindabad force. These people were arrested, and along with them, 2 30-bore drum machine guns, 3 pistols marked SIG Sauer, made in Germany, 2 Glock pistols of Austria, 2 30-bore pistols, 1 32-bore pistol, 1 3.5 bore rifle, 2 drum magazines, and 10 pistol magazines. Now that's a big haul, and it was intended for creating some sort of ruckus in the state. Now this, the police has been very fortunate. The DGP will be giving details later on of who these people are, where they were caught, and various other things. But it's a great success for the Punjab police, and to them my congratulations, of course, but also to indicate to people that no matter what we are doing, for how much of our force is involved in this COVID business or looking after the curfew, and our eyes are open on what Pakistan is up to. This morning, another major haul was caught, not of weapons this time, but of drugs. And we have caught perhaps one of the biggest drug smugglers of this country, a person called Ranjit Singh, oblique Rana, oblique Cheetah, from Begu village in Sirsa, Haryana. Again, the details will be given, but if you recall, 532 kilograms of heroin and 52 kilograms of mixed narcotics from Pakistan worth 2,700 crores in a consignment of 60 bags of rock salt through the integrated check post in Atari was caught on the 29th of June 2019. This was part of this gang which was doing this. Now recently, let me mention before that this Ranjit Singh Cheetah had already been caught for drug smuggling, and the case had gone up to the Supreme Court, but it had been dropped for lack of evidence. So that issue is now resolved. Everyone knows what this man has been up to. But recently, if you would recall, the Punjab police played a very significant role in operations by the JK police against Naiku, Hizbul Mujahideen commander in the valley. Following the arrest of Hilal Ahmed Wage, an overground worker of the banned terrorist organization Hizbul Mujahideen, by an alert patrolling party of 2 policemen of Amritsar police late evening on the April 25th on the outskirts of Amritsar city. Now, Hilal Ahmed had come to Amritsar in a truck to collect 29 lakhs rupees from Amritsar on the instructions of Riaz Ahmed Naiku, Hizbul commander in the Kashmir Valley. Based on the input shared by the Punjab police with central agencies, Riaz Ahmed Naiku, the Hizbul Mujahideen commander in Kashmir Valley, was gunned down by the J&K police and security forces in South Kashmir on 6 May 2020. Amritsar police, in the meantime, arrested two Hizbul operatives, Bikram Singh and Maninder Singh, on May 5th. Bikram Singh had come on a scooter to deliver these 29 lakhs of rupees to Hilal Ahmed on the instructions of Ranjit Singh Cheetah. Now, these are the sort of operations that are going on on our border area. Pakistan is not letting up. Weapons, drugs, and drug money to use in weapons and to use for terrorism, this seems to be the modus operandi. We will not allow this to happen. I've said so before. We have been very successful in the past, we are successful now, and we will continue to be on our toes. The BSF in front, we are behind them, and we are operating in a very sustained and a very active manner to ensure that this doesn't happen. Both for drugs, it was my promise to Punjab that we will break the backbone of the drug movement, and with the catch of this man, who's considered one of the main operatives and one of the big fish, as we call it, in this business, the back has been broken. That is as far as drugs are concerned. Similar is the case with weapons. Now, these weapons are being sent with some nefarious design. They probably want to try and create muzzles in Punjab again. That I can assure Punjab that we will never allow that to happen. The police is on its toes, the BSF is on its toes, everyone is on their toes, and we will see to it that these sort of anti-national elements are caught and put behind bars where they belong. And so do these drug people.